Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a vehicle guys, any modern vehicle. Let's say you have engine light on, you scan the system, you get a code such as bank 1 oxygen sensor, bank 1 sensor 2, and you want to know okay which oxygen sensor you need to replace or test to find out if it's good or bad. Is it upstream, is it downstream? All that we'll cover today. Make sure to stay until the end. Also we'll explain how you can test these oxygen sensors and find out if they're good or bad. In addition, we'll share which computer we use for car diagnostics because many of you guys constantly ask me in the comment section below and we decided to share the information with you. Now, before we continue, let me tell you guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your car, check out the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well. With all that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here guys. This is a Hyundai that we'll be demonstrating on, but doesn't matter which car you have. Now, this is the computer that we use for diagnostics. It's amazing too guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. What I like about this one guys, okay, the fact that you can work on almost any car you can think of. It can pay itself off in one-time use, okay. And the cool thing about that computer is you can access every computer in your car, almost every computer. And for instance, this Hyundai has only 17 computers, but some vehicles have, Mercedes, BMWs, we've seen up to 50-55 computers guys. You can read codes, delete codes and see live data for every computer. And if you want to learn more about car diagnostics and fixing the electric components on your car, we have that special channel called Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Now let's explain about oxygen sensors. Okay, I'm going to remove that engine cover. We don't need that in here now. So I can explain about engines. If you have a 3-4 cylinder engine, okay, or a 5-cylinder engine, often guys, straight inline 4-cylinder engine, 3, 4, 5 cylinder engine guys. On one side of the engine you have the intake manifold, on the back side of the engine you have the exhaust manifold. Usually on your exhaust manifold guys, on the exhaust system, you will have 2 oxygen sensors. One is right there, you can see this is known as upstream, and then you have one downstream. The purpose of the upstream oxygen sensor is to detect how much fuel and gasoline or diesel and air you have in the exhaust system. Let's say you have too much fuel, not enough air, that means it's a rich fuel mixture. It's going to tell the engine computer to actually correct that, so you have a nice running vehicle, it's not polluting and it's economical as well. What about the purpose of this second sensor? This is known as the downstream oxygen sensor. Okay, let's go underneath the vehicle just... Okay, bear with me guys, I'm getting underneath. Perfect. Now, the purpose of that sensor, okay, it's right here. Check it out. This is it. This is on the catalytic converter. You can see what it does. Okay, pretty simple guys. The purpose of that sensor is to detect if the catalytic converter, okay, is doing its job. It pretty much detects, okay, if that catalytic converter is working. It's not so important for the engine computer due to the fact, okay, that it's mostly for emissions. So this is known as a downstream oxygen sensor. Now, which is sensor 1, sensor 2? Sensor 1 is the upstream oxygen sensor, okay, the one that we had right there. Okay, you can see, I can even take a picture, okay, take a video right here. And the downstream oxygen sensor is known as a sensor 2 guys. So if you have a code for sensor 2, this is the one right here, right there, usually on the catalytic converter or right after it. Now, if you want to see how to test those sensors guys, we have a special video that explains that, okay, how to test oxygen sensor on our channel. Check it out. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you and see you next time.